Could artificial intelligence one day master the intricacies of human language? That's the question that has been at the heart of AI research for decades. From the earliest rule-based systems to today's advanced machine learning models, the journey of AI in acquiring language skills has been nothing short of a linguistic odyssey. First up on our list, natural language processing, or NLP for short. AI has moved beyond simple rule-based systems to complex models that can understand, interpret, and even generate human language with an uncanny accuracy. Thanks to deep learning and transformer models like the generative pre-trained transformer, AI is revolutionizing the world of NLP. Next, we have the AI's ability to learn and adapt to languages. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can infer the rules and patterns of languages without any explicit programming. Moreover, modern AI can learn and translate between multiple languages, often uncovering linguistic nuances and subtleties that were not explicitly taught. Moving on, the understanding of context and nuance. AI has come a long way in understanding not just the syntax, but also the semantics of language. This has led to more natural and accurate interpretations of human language. AI is also getting better at understanding and responding to emotional cues, enhancing the quality of human-AI interaction. Then comes the rise of conversational AI. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants have become more sophisticated, handling complex queries and maintaining context over longer conversations. Also, AI can learn from individual interactions, leading to more personalized and relevant responses over time. Creative language use is another area where AI has made significant strides. AI has been used to write articles, compose poetry, and even script short films. Research is underway to enable AI to understand and generate humor, sarcasm, and idioms. Next, the impact of AI on accessibility and inclusivity. Advances in speech recognition have made technology more accessible to people with disabilities and those speaking diverse dialects or languages. AI has also broken down language barriers by improving the quality and speed of language translation. We also need to consider the ethical and societal implications of AI's language skills. There's a growing awareness of biases in AI language models and the impact of AI on jobs in areas like translation, customer service, and content creation. Looking ahead, AI systems are expected to become even more adaptive, learning continuously from their interactions and environments. There's also a growing focus on collaborative systems where AI augments human capabilities rather than replacing them. To wrap it up, the rapid advancement of AI's language skills is reshaping not just our technological landscape, but also influencing cultural, ethical, and social realms. The future of AI in language holds promise for even more integration and synergy. It's a fascinating journey, and we're just getting started. Ever pondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, masters the art of language? How does it manage to decipher the intricate dance of words, grammar, and context without any formal instruction? Today we uncover the marvel of AI language learning, a journey that takes us from the basics through the present and into the future. In the realm of artificial intelligence, the ability to learn languages stems from a phenomenon known as unsupervised learning. Here, AI systems, particularly those based on deep learning, absorb vast amounts of text data. They analyze this data and infer language patterns, grammar, vocabulary, and usage, all without being explicitly programmed with the rules of the language. Much like a child learning to speak, AI models pick up language nuances through exposure to diverse contexts in the data. The crux of this language learning prowess lies in advanced neural network models and transformers. Groundbreaking models like the transformer architecture used in GPT and BERT utilize mechanisms such as attention and contextual embeddings to understand and generate language with high proficiency. They employ self-supervised learning strategies, generating their training signals internally, usually by predicting parts of the input text. One might wonder if AI's linguistic abilities are limited to one language. The answer is a resounding no. AI can transfer knowledge from one language to another, a trait evident in multilingual models. The These models can comprehend and translate between languages they were not explicitly trained on, demonstrating an ability to infer linguistic relationships. But the marvel doesn't end there. AI can uncover subtle patterns and relationships in languages such as syntactic structures, semantic similarities, and even cultural nuances embedded in language use. By processing vast amounts of text, AI learns the subtle differences in word meanings, usage in different contexts, and can even detect regional dialects or idiomatic expressions. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. While AI has become adept at language processing, understanding deep context, especially in complex human interactions, remains a challenge. Moreover, AI models can inherit biases present in their training data, leading to skewed or inappropriate responses in certain contexts. The next frontier in AI language learning is continuous adaptation, where AI systems can keep learning and updating their language models from new interactions and data sources. As AI becomes more adept at language, ethical considerations around privacy, consent, and the potential misuse of AI for misinformation become increasingly important. In essence, AI's ability to learn languages and uncover linguistic subtleties without explicit programming represents a significant leap in technology. It opens up possibilities for more natural and sophisticated human-AI interactions and has profound implications for global communication and content creation. The journey of AI language learning, while already impressive, is only just beginning.